Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a business email in Google Workspace for your company or team. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you already have your Google Workspace plan so that you will be able to log in successfully. So after you logged in, you will just have to go to your admin console, and basically you will see this interface. And what you will have to do is you will click users, which is right here. And after you click that, you will look for add new user or add a user. So what you will have to do is click that as well, and then you will just have to enter the username, and then you will choose email address. Assign roles and permissions if necessary, and then you will just have to save the changes and under receives login credentials. And I mean, the user will receive the login credentials. And by the way, you could also encourage users to set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for a better security. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.